आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So we have to show this given relation. So we have, let this be I. So I is from 0 to pi by 2. We have under root of sin 2 theta and sin theta d theta. So we have a result that is 0 to a f of x is with respect to dx is 0 to a f of a minus x dx here. So using this result, we have I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. We have under root of sine 2 times of pi by 2 minus theta, and here will be sine of pi by 2 minus theta here with respect to d theta here. So we have I is equal to 0 to pi by 2, and sine pi minus 2 theta will be sine 2 theta as it is, and sin pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta d theta here. So let this be equation 2 and let this be equation number 1. So on adding 1 plus 2, we have, if we add 1 plus 2, we have I plus I is 2 times of I is 0 to pi by 2. We have, here will be root sine 2 theta common, and we have sin theta plus cos theta with respect to d theta here, and we have this sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So we have 0 to pi by 2, we have under root of 2 sin theta cos theta, and we have sin theta plus cos theta here with respect to d theta here. So we have, this is I 0 to pi by 2, and let us add 1 and subtract 1. We are adding 1 here and subtracting 1. Why we are doing this? Because 1 can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta. So we have 1 minus, here will be sin square theta plus cos square theta, and here will be plus, here will be minus of 2 sin theta cos theta. Why we are doing this? Because we have this value, this term here. This term can be written as differentiation of this term here. How? Let us see. Sin theta plus cos theta with respect to d theta here. So we have I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Here will be 1 minus, here this term is sin theta minus cos theta whole square written. And we have sin theta plus cos theta outside with respect to d theta. So let us just separate it with some space to solve this question. We have this term here is sin theta minus cos theta. We have sin theta minus cos theta as t. So differentiation of sin theta is cos theta, and differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So minus minus will be plus with respect to d theta is dt here. So we have integral 1 minus t square with respect to, here will be d theta not dt. Here will be dt not d theta. And the limits will also be changed. So at theta is equal to 0. At theta is equal to 0, we have 0 minus 1. T is minus of 1. At theta is equal to pi by 2. We have 1 minus 0, that is 1. So minus 1 to 1 here. And we have result for this, that is, result for this will be t by 2 under root of 1 minus t square, and we have plus of, here will be 1 by 2 sine inverse of t by 1. So the limits are from minus 1 to 1 here. So putting upper limit minus lower limit, we have t as 1. So we have 1 by 2 into, here will be 1 minus 1 is 0, and plus of sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So we have 1 by 2 into, here will be pi by 2, and minus of, if we see this, minus 1 by 2 here, and here will be minus 1 whole square, that is 1 only because it's square. So it's 1 minus 1, that is 0, and we have plus of 1 by 2. Sine inverse of minus 1 is, we have sine inverse of minus 1 as, here will be minus of pi by 2 here. So if we solve this, this is 0, this term is 0. So we have pi by 4 minus of, here will be minus will be plus of pi by 4. So I, we have 2i as this value. So I will be equal to, this will be equal to pi by 2 into 1 by 2. So I is pi by 4. This will be the final answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।